Hello everyone, welcome to FinTalks. Various economists and equity strategists are looking increase in dollar with dollar smiling theory. This dollar smiling theory was mentioned by former IMF economist Stephen Jen. According to this dollar smiling theory, when the US economy is strong or very weak, or when the global growth is slowed down, then the value of dollar increases. The investors are choosing dollar to hedge their investment against global economic challenges and fluctuations. Normally, we will know the rise in dollar through DYX index. And according to this index, at current, the demand for dollar increased to highest level in the last 22 years. America is the largest economy in the world and its currency dollar is the world's largest reserve currency. It is an oxygen to international trade. According to IMF, 149 countries are having the reserves of $7 trillion. So in this context, whatever happens in America, it will shake the whole global financial system. The main reason for increase in dollar are number one, inflation and increase in interest rates in America. Number two, the US Federal Reserve Chairman Powell states that this increase in interest rates will continue in future for a long period of time. And number three, the US Federal Reserve is changing the interest rates very fast than the other large economies. In the rest of the countries, the interest rates are low and it leads to strong dollar. Another reason is Russia's war in Ukraine, which is continuing for a long period of time, pushes the global economy towards instability and it leads to increase in commodity prices in the international commodity market and that leads to inflation. In addition to that, the fear of gas cuts to Europe is adding fuel to this one. Because of all these reasons, the dollar value is increasing day by day. If this information is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.